Good morning, Mr. Alex and Ms. Mahima.
Good morning, sir.
Co-panelists. Thank you for taking up my query.
Our pleasure.
My query is on GMDC,
Okay.
Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation. I bought 1,000 shares at the rate of 482.29. I bought it in February 2024. And I bought it based on the premise that, it is not very high. It is about 18.9 PE. And they have got a allocation in Orissa,
Okay.
lignite coal, from 8.4 million ton per annum, they are going to jump to 21 million ton.
Right.
Plus, they have a huge bauxite resource, and plus these rare earth minerals also, the GMDC is interested now,
Right.
because of the recent crisis. Considering all these things, I have a significant loss right now, though I am holding for more than 16 months now.
Yeah.
Is it worth holding considering the diverse material? Because by 2030, they are planning to 4 times volume.
Yes. Understood.
So that's what they told.
Yeah.
So under the circumstances, it's a better option to hold, even though I'm incurring significant loss.
Yes.
Or switch over to NALCO or Coal India, which has a low PE and a higher dividend yield.
Right. I understood your
All
question.
are debt-free companies. Almost all are debt-free companies with the government. This is a diverse material company, a resource company.
Yeah.
But it is not delivering, and it has a huge result for a mere 63 crore capital.
Yes.
So with all the factors in mind, I am willing to wait.
Okay. Okay.
It's
I understand.
better to switch over to Coal India, which will give you better return, or NALCO.
I understood your question. I'm not going to add too much to this. And Samir, I'm just going to come straight to you on the view, because it's a well-researched question. So what would you say?
So GMDC is actually an interesting hold. I would hold on to it. I think the long-term story for there is there. But you got to remember, these are commodity plays, right? So in a bullish commodity cycle, you always get good movements on the upside. And if the commodity prices come off, then you have to obviously, even though volumes may be increasing, face a bit of a time period of pain. Unfortunately, I think your investor got in a little too early in the expansion story. You always have gestation periods. So now that you've held on for 18 months, I think continue to hold. There is upside. And to the second question that you had, whether you should have Coal India because it gives a higher dividend. So Coal India's growth will never be the same percentage-wise that GMDC can scale up its operation. So that was your question. Should I move to Coal India from GMDC for the higher dividend? If you're more interested in dividend income and steady, stable growth, then Coal India. But if you want more capital appreciation, I think GMDC is where you should stay.